Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going flying. Yeah, I'm still busy with that flu, and I've got a lot of stuff stuck in my throat, so I may have a little bit of a problem now and again. I need to sneeze from sometimes, and please bear with me. But we're going on with the Lancaster Bomber, and I've got 2 stages here, and I've got 2 more stages for later in a later video. But I'm splitting them up so as not to give you too long videos. First stage that we are going to do is number 51, which you see right there. The Lancaster Bomber, the rear alternator spotlight. We're not doing a big lot of it, but just 2 screws we're putting in and making sure that that is all, and all these leads are neatly under, and that's it. Right there is where it's on the real thing. Right there, right underneath in the belly, you can see that. And it just is a little bit about Just Jane. A very famous Lancaster, 61 Squadron, number 61 Squadron during the World War II, surviving until retirement in 1946. So it did a lot. Now a little bit about the British first Raider, saved a lot of lives over many crews. That's what's in the next, which we have right there, number 52. But let's start with 51. And we're going to do this on the underside, but we're going to be very, very careful because we've got that sticking out and all these things sticking out. So we need to be careful. I don't know if this is 50. Yes, it is. And I've just got a screwdriver and a tweezer at the moment because I don't need any more. All right, we're going to get a little bit of masking tape out because they're saying that is a good thing to do to hold the cable in. All right, so let's get that one out. And what they're saying is to hold it like that, and well, this cable needs to be unrolled. So we're going to put it in like that. Then we're going to put a little bit of tape there, as they said. Let's see if that works, because this is really a little bit. Need to be with that lip to the front, and then that short one has to go there. We're going to turn this around carefully and put 2 screws in, which are AM screws. I hope this works. Like that. And then 2 of those AM screws. Why will it not go in? Okay, let's put a little bit of oil on this one and see if that one goes in properly. It will. So we need to... Alright, let's get him out. Him being the lights tester. And I think it's this one that we need. And as you see, it works nicely. As you can see right there, and these cables are neatly under, and so let's get these cables under as well. They're neatly away, and that is the first stage done. But all those lights work. Let's get to stage number 53. All right, let's push these 2 neatly flat. Get that circuit board out and have 2 FM screws just to put that circuit board in. And here we go, that's the circuit board. Like so, we're going to put it in. Alright, now let's see. We've got a cable Z3. And remember, this side is always the side that the little sockets are farthest away from. So we're looking at this. They're on this side, pushing that in and then pushing it through the hole that is right there, and then we get the Z4 one, pushing that through the same hole and pulling it through. And that's that for this stage. And that is all I'm doing for now. But it was a pretty easy one. So we put that light on, which is right there. Underneath here, we put that circuit board in. It's starting to begin to be a big thing. Well, it's not as fiddly as it can sometimes be. Sorry, it's not as fiddly as this can be sometimes, but I don't know what we're doing next. I think we're building engines, so I can put this away and do the engine build. I hope you will join me with that one or any of those in the background. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join us when we do some more building, or join me when I do some more building. Thank you very much, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye bye.